Like this gave me cold chills in my search uh, for e-learning modules that we can upgrade. I ran into this one submission. Julian sent this in to me, and I'm going to put a link below. This is an amazing course. So, this course was designed over 5 to 6 months with a team of people using Blender and a thing called Play Canvas. There are ways that I think that we can accomplish somewhat of the same feeling that you will see in the upcoming video, but this is outstanding. This is my honest reaction coming up. My honest reaction going through this. I went through about half the course, and yeah, experience it with me. This is amazing. Let's move this over. This is outstanding. I love that you've got a skip button down here too. So if for whatever reason it gave me cold chills, guys. Like this gave me cold chills. Pretty outstanding. Love that intro. But if that intro was too long for you, or you wanted to skip it, there is the option to go ahead and skip. Love that. Let's go ahead and hit start here. Welcome hacker, choose your hacker name. Hey, let's choose, hey, there's all my names, but let's choose Beardo because that's what a lot of people call me. And so we're going to log in, establishing connection. Ooh, and I'm loving the sound design too. So receiving encrypted message. So one thing is, you're supposed to click here, but maybe that's not obvious to everyone. But let's go ahead and click this. Ooh, I love that this scrolls. This is good. I love that. This is great. So it doesn't matter who I am. I'm just, let's just say I'm not a friend of Slurp Corp. All right. What matters to you is a generous reward, secure payment made in cryptocurrency. Interested? This is the mission. So we've got several different things down here, and I'm just clicking away because that's what my brain ends up doing. I love this interaction down here as well. So we need to select our target. So it's Slurp Corp. So it looks like we're going to be hacking Slurp Corp. The mission is to use different hacking techniques to compromise Slurp's IT systems. And then the secret recipe, try getting your hands on their secret recipe. Oh, look, can you download it? Let's try. It should be worth a lot to their competitors. Oh, no, I thought that was a download because my mouse changed. Secondary objective, tried to do as much damage as possible. Maybe you can also make some extra money. Oh, this could be a fun game. Your partner, XO.1, is an experienced hacker and will be by your side. You're in this together. Okay, that's it. You're all set. Oh, there's an arrow down here. So let's scroll down, accept mission. I like that little arrow. Could be a little bit bigger. You've accepted the mission. Connecting to private chat room, connected. I do love this sound design. It looks like a little chat bot. Well, hello. Nice. Yeah, let's start. I guess I could have chose the other one. Yeah, that's the spirit. I'm kind of wondering what this was made in. loving this. Let's do it. Full disclosure, I didn't read all of that. That was weird. I just like clicking buttons. Get license for commercial use. You can share this. Turn up and down. Oh, nice. So this looks like it was made in like a full game engine. This is good. That Slurp headquarters, get closer by clicking on the bubble. So if we click on the bubble, get access to more company information. I'm loving this. Let's go through at least one of these things. Let's start with the simple but effective. Nice. Let's click on the person. I guess that's what I'm supposed to do. I love these characters. This is really interesting. You guys watching me read this is great. Let's try the password hacking. So we're going to scroll down. Which one do we want to do? Do we want to do a credential recycling? Do we want to do dictionary attack or brute force attack? So let's click on one of these and see what happens. Oh, so this tells us a little bit about what each one is. So we're not actually selecting it, but let's proceed. How long do you think it takes to crack this password? Ooh, I'm loving this. So this password, let's say, yeah, you've got a 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you've got QWERTY kind of in the middle of it. So let's just do less than a second. Incredibly fast. Hey, I'm doing good. What hackers don't like. So this tells us what hackers don't like. I'm loving the sound design. I don't know how well you guys can hear that swooshing sound. Nice. And I get a new one regularly. This is great. I love this password technique. Information like this will be in your hacker's toolkit. Good. So, hey, look at that. Nice. This is a lot of fun. So now we're communicating back and forth. This is actually a lot of fun. So I'm really loving this. Let's I think I can kind of go through most of this stuff. Let's see. Actually, that looks like, so I'm kind of looking at the technology. This may be done with some spline as well, with some mouse tracking movements. Nope, I can't get into that person's phone. Can I get into this? Oh, nope, access denied. Let's give it one last try. Let's do this guy right here. Ooh, let's search his computer. So files in the computer, which file should we download? Let's do, there's project plan, notes, brainstorm. We want staff members, right? So let's download that. That's a good choice. We're done here, aren't we? Be nice to have another option. Maybe that can be built out at some point. And now we've got 1 of 6 here. Let's look for more vulnerabilities. So we're going to visit the office. We go into a different room, it looks like, or at least they're in a different configuration. Let's talk about phishing. This is really cool. I love that this is like a slide that goes back and forth. This is really cool. This is something that would be fun to kind of walk through if you were in a company. So this is one that I would highly recommend. So what did you think? I personally really like this. So again, there are links below. Please post your comments. And if you have anything that you would like for me to react to, anything that you would like for me to redesign, find an innovative way to do it, yeah, please leave a comment below, or you can find me on LinkedIn. You can find me on Twitter. Send me a direct message, and I would love to chat with you. Until then, just make sure you subscribe for more.